Vice President Sipay.
This year happens to mark the period of our national elections. This year marks too the handing down of the United Nations Arbitral Tribunal's decision. This year is bound to see a jump in activities in our conflicted domains, particularly in the cyber and air domains and in the maritime areas. We in the Air Force need to continuously change and transform. For where before we used to employ traditional methods, today we must retool for asymmetric challenges. Where before we used to use our force at any cost, today we must relearn to fly and fight so that we won't unnecessarily lose our force.